How to use Calendly as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Calendly to schedule your meetings professionally and efficiently, eliminating the hassle of going back and forth from one platform to another. That saves a lot of your time. You can also create automatic reminders and get your own calendar using Calendly. So what you have to do is you will simply come to calendly.com and you will land on this platform right here. Today I will show you all of the different features and tools we get in Calendly in order to create our own professional events. So to get started, what you have to do is you simply click on sign up and then you can sign up with your email address. I have already signed up and this is my Calendly. When you go to calendly.com, then you will be able to access your own account. So this is our basic dashboard on Calendly that we get. You can see right here, it's very basic dashboard that we get and it's really easy to use. So on Calendly, you can see right here, we have our options of home, availability, integrations, and help. And this is going to be my account option. And in account, we get options such as billing and applications, share your link, organization, and admin management settings. So this is where you can also log out from. And then we have home. In home, you can see right here, this is my Calendly and I have event types. I have scheduled events. Any event that I have scheduled, it will be shown here. And then we get our own workflow. We get the option of create right here, and create allows us to create a new event, schedule a new meeting. So let's start. What I will do is I will simply click on create. Now I have three options right here. I can create an event. I can create a one-off meeting, and then I can also create a meeting poll. So let's create an event first. So in event, we have different options to create a meeting. We can go for a one-on-one, and then we can also go with a group meeting. Then we also have collective and round robin, which allows us to create an event that cycles between multiple hosts. So what I will do is I will simply create a one-on-one. So simply click on create. After that, we will be able to create an event right here. We get all the options. So let's start. What you have to do is type in your event name. So this is my work meeting. Let's just give it the name of. Then we have location. You simply select location from Google Maps. You can select location, like if it's an in-person meeting, then you can set an address. But if it's an online meeting, then we can select any of the platforms such as a phone call, Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. So this meeting is going to be on Zoom. So I will simply select my online platform and I will actually have to integrate Zoom. Similarly, you can actually add anything if you want to. For example, if I cancel Zoom and I'm like, okay, I want to host this meeting on Google Meet, then I can just simply go ahead and add it right here. After that, we have description. In description, we can write whatever we want to. For now, I'm just going to write the word description. Then we have event link. So this is my link right here. This is the link that will be generated. And if I want to customize it, I can go ahead and do that. And then we can select an event color for our, basic customization, and it helps us organize. I will go with this blue color right here for this meeting. Now, all I have to do is click on next. All right, so now we get all of these different options such as date range, and from calendar I can actually select my scheduled meeting, like this is the days. So what I will do is I will actually add it 7. Then we have to add the duration, and you can actually select indefinitely into the future if you do not know the time. When it comes to duration, I'm going with custom because it is actually 2 hours. So I will select hours from here. It's a 2 hours meeting. Then we have how do you want to offer your availability. So I will set custom hours, that this is my available time for the meeting. And you can see right here, we can customize our time here. And let's say that I'm actually not available on Friday and Thursday. I'm just available on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I'm just available on Monday. I'm available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Then on Tuesday, I'm available from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. again. And then on Wednesday, I am available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so this is how you simply add time on Calendly. Once you're done, you will simply click on next. Well, now you can see my meeting is actually created, and I can just, view the live page right now, like a meeting that has been scheduled. I can see it right here. We can add other questions right here, such as invitee questions. If you want them to add questions, you can actually save and close. And then we have notifications, we have confirmation page, we have collect payments, we also have workflow. So for now, I'm just going to create this simple meeting, and I can just, save it now. So it has been saved. I can just go back to my home, and this meeting will be available there, and I will be able to join it when this meeting will be held after 7 days. I added the day 2. So that's how it simply works. You can see right here, this is my work meeting, and it's a 2-hour meeting 101. So this is how it works. And next thing that I can do is I can actually create an one-off meeting too, and you can invite someone to pick a time to meet with you. So that's how it works. And in here, we simply add our availability. If we go to scheduled events, you can see right here, I will be able to check all of my events, and I can actually create different event types if I want to. We can select the date range. We have pendings right here. We have past. We also get our own workflow, and in workflow, you will be able to save time, and you can actually automate all the work you do around, and you can just add your team, and you can distribute your work for a better workflow. Then we have availability option right here. So we can set our custom availability, and you can see right here, this is my availability right now. Like these are custom hours, like Sunday and Saturday is off, and we have 8 to 10 p.m. If I want to change it, I can just simply go ahead and type in my timing. For example, on Monday, I am available 7 a.m. to 5. There you go. Then we have Tuesday. If I want to copy this time, then I will simply copy it, and I can just paste it to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as well, and I will click on apply. So now you can see this is my timing for all of my days. But let's say that I want to customize the timing for Friday, and what I can do is now I can just simply change it again, because on Friday I'm available from 7 to 1. So there you go. This is my timing. All I have to do is click on save, and my changes will be saved. This is my time zone. You can actually change your time zone from here. This is set for all of the meetings, and you can actually deselect any of the meeting if you want to, and if you do not want these hours to be applied to the meeting here. Then we get the integration option, and in integration we can simply add our Google Meets, our Zoom, Gmail, our Google Calendar. All of these different applications are available. You can see right here, we have Calendly for Chrome, we have Facebook, we have HubSpot, MailChimp, Slack, WebEx, WordPress, Zapier. So you can integrate anything. Most important thing that you will be integrating is going to be your calendar. So you can integrate your calendars such as your Google Calendar, Office 365, Outlook. Then we also have sales and CRM. So you can actually integrate your CRM platforms such as Salesforce and HubSpot to your Calendly. Similarly, we can just add analytics. We can get our Google Analytics and Facebook pixels. Similarly, we can add any application to our Calendly. So Calendly works great with all of the applications and helps you schedule the meetings you want to schedule. Very easy platform to use, and is very efficient for you to help you save a lot of your time and manage your business, set your availability, provide a good customer service, and create an amazing team of your own. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Calendly to schedule meetings. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.